In the early 1990s, the Greater Mubende region was grappling with a crisis. Poverty ran deep, the scars of civil war were fresh. The HIV/AIDS was claiming lives, health services were inadequate, and communities had limited access to both education and safe water.
PaCT started in 1995 when we had just ended the civil war of 1986 that brought the current government into power, where the insurgency then was really serious and affected many of the economic well-being of the people around.
It was against this backdrop of urgent need that a grassroots initiative was born, the Mitiana Uganda Charity, a humble but determined organization that began by offering child sponsorships and constructing rainwater harvesting tanks in schools. Over time, what started as a humble act of solidarity grew into a broader, more strategic mission. And by 2018, this local initiative evolved into Partners for Community Transformation, PaCT, reflecting a new era of purpose and direction.
So when we came in, we are trying to bridge the gap of literacy and ensuring that there is access to quality education.
Today, PaCT operates across 7 districts in Uganda, implementing an integrated program strategy anchored in 3 core pillars: economic activation and inclusion, social protection, and personal development and leadership, aimed at addressing structural inequalities among adolescent girls and young women.
So we narrowed our scope to focus on adolescent girls and young women, and we are looking at addressing the structural inequalities that are faced by these people, basically focusing on socio-economic well-being.
Through its social protection and well-being model, PaCT ensures that no community is left behind in accessing life's most essential resources that safeguard dignity and health. To address the urgent need for clean water, PaCT has constructed over 300 water points in schools and communities, bringing safe water closer to where it's needed most and helping over 150,000 people access clean, safe water.
PaCT's intervention has impacted a number of projects within the district, because as Mitiana, as of now, we are starting at 81% in safe water coverage. As the district, as the local government, we have achieved that with partners like PaCT.
Basically, we are targeting the rural communities, not only communities alone, but also the school, which is the institution. And this mainly improves the access to water, especially to the households and to the vulnerable schools.
For all the work they have done, it has really been great to the district. We appreciate as the water sector, because where they found us, we were really badly off and the funding was not enough. However, they have increased our coverage. At first we were at 39, but now as we are counting the years, we are at 46. So you see that we are progressing. We have improved greatly and our district is performing well.
Nsanyuse nnyo okufuna amazzi amayonjo. Tetukyafuna nnyo bulwadde, tetukyagenda nnyo mu ddwaliro, era tugasenera mu budde, n'emirimu abakyala bagikola bulungi mu maka gaabwe, bagimaliriza bulungi, kuba tuba tetugenda mu bisiko.
PaCT is this kind of organization that is on ground, that keeps checking on communities. When there are issues, they empower them, and at the end of it all, you find sure the service delivery is at its best.
Additionally, more than 4,000 girls now benefit from clean private toilets, safe water access, and menstrual hygiene support, providing them the dignity and comfort that they need to stay in school and thrive academically.
We have enough menstrual products. We have the changing room, which is well equipped. Now girls are no longer missing classes because they have everything they need.
PaCT's WASH programs have reached over 15,000 students with vital water, sanitation, and hygiene education, and empowered 600 adolescent girls and young women with comprehensive sexuality education, a critical step towards informed and empowered womanhood.
Our learners have been able to get safe drinking water. This water has helped us to curb the problem of diseases like typhoid, which was hindering the performance of the learners at school.
Over 300 children have been supported with education scholarships, and across 32 schools, learning conditions have significantly improved thanks to infrastructure upgrades, such as the construction of classrooms and more than 30 girl-friendly latrines, which have boosted attendance and self-esteem.
Nze ndi jjajja wa Nakirabira Erina. Nina emyaka 95 naye nebaza PaCT ennyambye nnyo. Nakirabira asoma senga kaakati yatambula eyo senga abeera mu ndongo naye Nakirabira abeera ku ssomero obulamu bwe bukuumibwa ku ssomero.
Today, more than 500 of these children have graduated as professionals from universities and technical institutions, now serving as doctors, teachers, engineers, midwives, bankers, and responsible transformative leaders.
When I joined PaCT, I was so happy, I was so blessed, I felt so special. Right now, I'm an enrolled midwife. I have saved many lives for both mothers and babies. I have a hope, a dream of opening up a medical center which will be basically working on pregnant women, their babies and children. All that has been because of PaCT's impact in my life.
I'm Dr. Simpson Semogerere. Currently, I work with the Uganda Youth Defense Forces. At the moment, being a doctor right now, it is very exciting for me and my family. It is because of their contribution that has impacted on my life, and now I'm a great person to my nation, my family, and everyone around me.
To reduce maternal and newborn mortality, 6 maternity wards have been built, ensuring safe deliveries for thousands of mothers, especially first-time and adolescent mothers.
Vale batuzimbira ekizimbe ekipya tubeebaza. Twafuna ewantu ewagazi, tulina we tugemera, tulina we twebasa abakyala baffe abamaze okuzaala, tulina we tuteeka ab'omusujja, ate ne leba woodi yaffe ngazi bulungi erimu n'obutanda.
Nze ndi Mama Patricia, nzadde baby girl leero, banange nze ndi musanyufu leero. Abasawo bandabiridde bulungi, sifunye buzibu bwonna. Banange mwebale kufaayo, mutwagadde nnyo, mutulabiridde.
As part of its economic activation and inclusion strategy, PaCT creates real opportunities for youth to step into economic independence and a future of their own making. Through demand-driven vocational training, over 320 adolescent girls and young women have gained practical skills in tailoring, shoemaking, and bakery, enabling them to earn a living and break the cycle of poverty with dignity. To strengthen these gains, PaCT has also trained more than 420 youth in financial literacy and entrepreneurship, helping them save, plan, and thrive in today's economy.
Nebaza nnyo PaCT okumpeerera, bannyamba okutuuka wano we ntuuse, singa tebaaliwo, singa kati nzaamu ku baana abatambulira ku street, abalonda obucupa, abalonda sukulaapu, ne kati okuva we bankwatirako, embeera eri bulungi nnyo okutwaliza awamu.
In addition, 30 village savings and loan associations have been established, engaging over 900 active members, opening up access to community-based financial services that support resilience and growth from within.
Obulungi obuvudde mu misomo egyo gye tusoma n'okuseevinga kituwadde enkulaakulana okuyiga omuntu bw'akola ne bw'aseevinga. Kubanga eno saving groups yevuddemu ono capital okusobola okukola bizinensi yange. Ekyamazima bakasoma bajja mbafuna nensobola okutambuza emirimu emirala nensobola okulabirirako bato abalala.
Under its personal development and leadership model, PaCT has empowered youth to grow into confident, purpose-driven individuals ready to lead change. So far, over 500 young people have been equipped with life skills, building their self-confidence, setting goals, and learning to make informed decisions. Each year, more than 300 youth benefit from career guidance, while 160 are paired with mentors to nurture their growth and ambitions. In recognizing the value of leadership, PaCT has also trained 90 youth leaders in negotiation, public speaking, and advocacy, empowering them to take up leadership roles in schools, communities, and public spaces. And because strong families are the backbone of successful youth, over 3,000 caregivers and parents have been engaged in positive parenting, nurturing school retention and holistic child development. Over the past 30 years, PaCT has directly impacted over 800,000 people, transforming lives through access to clean water, quality education, health services, and livelihood opportunities.
Every time we reflect where we started from and where we are today, we feel it is really exciting. For us, what is exciting is to see the transformation we are making from one level to another. You know, the socio-economic well-being, the livelihood transformation.
PaCT has touched the core principles of life that gives a service to the local communities.
But beyond the numbers, PaCT's true legacy is written in the lives of girls and young women who now stand tall as students, mothers, entrepreneurs, and leaders, transforming their communities from the inside out.
To me and to the district, we want to see PaCT in 100 years because we believe they will actually have impacted greater communities.
Through you, we can have more people like me in this country, and through you we can have so many doctors, so many engineers, so many pilots.
Mukama yebaziwe, Mukama abateekeko omukono omulungi mwogere okundabirira. Mpeze emyaka 10 mwebalire ddala bannange.
Tujebaza nnyo n'essanyu eringi era essanyu lyenina lingi kubanga tufunye amazzi amayonjo n'abaana baffe kati bagenda kukula bulungi era ndi musanyufu nnyo.
This extraordinary journey would not have been possible without the generous support of partners, among them Blood, Water, Water to Thrive, GIZ, Independent Development Fund, the Mityana Charity, the Government of Uganda, and many others.
PaCT has proved that can deliver. We have proved to be committed. We now understand the community dynamics more than ever. We have now transitioned to another level where we are now upscaling our model. We have tested it, we have improved it, and we now know it works.
As we celebrate 30 years of profound impact, we invite you to walk this journey with us, partner with us, invest in adolescent girls and young women, and help us write the next chapter of transformation.